We have driver's meeting at 2, but that's still 4 hours away.
Is that a metric one that's in there? What are you looking for?
My fucking passport. Now I'm fucking freaking out. Dude, that's gonna give us some serious fucking issues. Oh dear God. Why wouldn't I just put it in my backpack like a normal person? Dude, I lost my passport.
An adult does not lose his passport. Hey, good news. Luckily, we're in Mexico and you're from the U.S. and getting across the border is not a big deal right now. So you should be fine.
No, but seriously, we should probably figure something.
You might be fucked.
Well, you flew. If you were driving, it might be a little bit different. But you're not going to be able to fly back without a passport.
Do you have yours?
Yeah, I got 2, mate.
2?
Yeah, just in case.
Do expired passports work?
Oh, I did. Bad.
At all?
What's up? My name's Davey Hamilton Jr.
Oh my God.
Little D.
Actually,
Here,
my name's not
ROC
Davey Hamilton
Mexico.
Jr.
Little D.
It's not Junior. I'm just Davey Hamilton.
What's up? Davey Hamilton.
There you go.
Rent a car and drive back.
It's a long drive, bro.
It's probably quicker than fucking waiting at the embassy for a passport.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's okay, I'm alive. We got the golden ticket. I'm so happy right now. No, it was in my helmet bag. Who would put it there, you know what I mean?
Sorry, he's busy right now. I can't be disturbed. So we got to step you back here and get a little clearance.
No, man, I got a girlfriend for that.
You know what I've always told him? You can lie to make friends, but don't lie to your friends. He doesn't have a girlfriend.
Always on camera.
Mess up your hair a little bit more.
This is my style, Ken.
That's not.
Track's good. It's really tight. You have like no speed at all. If you hit a barrier, you're just penalized 5 seconds. So the goal is not to hit a barrier and still be really fast.
Make it a little easier.
Yeah. Damn it.
O sea, no sé qué partes serán naturales, ¿no?
Look at my sunglasses. Marks on the drive. Yeah. We lost.
Mount Gavin goes.
So I go into this corner all sideways. I'm like, oh,
I don't know if we're done, like now I'm done or what. I don't know. Alright guys, we just finished up with race 1 here in Mexico City. The format isn't something that I strongly like, so I had to get used to that. It's a head-to-head, and I'm not a head-to-head kind of racer. I like it to where everybody is going all at once and finishing all at once. Going to head-to-head's not my favorite, but still having a lot of fun. Today didn't go that well. We didn't even make it out of round 1. So hopefully tonight we can like recoup, tomorrow come back and do better. At least make it to round 2. But this is a lot of fun, so can't complain.